My name is Ruth Ikegar. I'm from Nigeria.
I'm Precious Kalawale from Nigeria.
My name is Thandiwe Khalaki. I am from South Africa.
My name is Sharon Dubitok. I'm from Kenya.
My name is Claire Charles. I am from Nigeria.
I am Doing Adeyemi. I'm from Nigeria. I'm a technical writer and a cloud DevOps engineer. I'm actually trained to be a cloud DevOps engineer.
I'm a technical content manager at Animals, where I do technical writing for SaaS companies.
Early last year, I switched my career into software development. So I've been learning software development, mainly JavaScript.
I am a certified Google Associate Cloud Engineer, and I'm currently doing a data science internship at Explore Data Science Academy.
I am a software developer.
I'm a data scientist and also a machine learning engineer at Lens Square, a financial company here in Nigeria as well. I was able to join She Code Africa in 2020. That was cohort 3 from June to August.
I participated in the She Code Africa Cloud Bootcamp cohort 1.
I participated in the SCAM program, She Code Africa mentoring program in 2020.
For She Code Africa, my first program that I participated in was the 6-year mentorship program that was running from October to December last year.
I participated in the She Code Africa Cloud Engineering School, cohort 1.
I participated in She Code Africa Summer Code Camp. I was in cohort 1 in the year 2020. The program helped me gain courage and helped me build confidence in myself.
When the program started, the mentoring program started, I was 6 months into coding. So I was just really fresh and didn't know what I was doing. So, the program helped me get mentoring, right? And my group was really very active at that time. So it was mostly like a one-on-one mentoring where I could, get answers to my questions, get guidance on how to, what to learn.
When I joined She Code Africa, I knew what I wanted, but I needed direction, I needed to be guided, I needed to follow a specific path. And She Code Africa was able to provide that for me. I was given a mentor, a proficient mentor at that without paying a dime.
So for the first program, it gave me a chance to share knowledge and guide mentees through the program.
She Code Africa was started out in 2016 with the need to lower the entry barrier for African women in tech by providing them access to free learning resources, mentoring opportunities with experts in the industry, and a safe platform and community for them to meet, network, and connect with other women like them.
It has been my foundational knowledge here for the tools and me learning to be a cloud DevOps engineer. I basically just needed a community where I could belong and where I could ask questions, where I could grow, and She Code Africa has been that for me.
I just saw it as a normal group then, because then I just started the whole tech thing. I saw it as a normal group initially, but over time it became like a reference for me to see that there were women in tech and to get motivated. Those times I really felt down. I would go to the Slack channel and I'll see there are over 1,000 people here, so I'm not the only one doing this, right? So it was always something I could go back on and get inspiration from the channel that people, women are out there, doing this tech thing. So yeah, that was it for me.
When I speak to ladies these days, when I tell them about She Code Africa, there's this initiative you can join to improve your tech skills, and they'll be like, how much does it cost? How much do we have to pay to get into this? And I'll be like, no, it's free, because that was what I was able to do. I entered She Code Africa without paying any time, and I was mentored. I was able to move from being a tech mogul to an intermediate data scientist in 3 months. That was wow.
I loved the learning part. It was very easy for me. The tasks that we were given weekly and monthly helped me to actually focus And then there was this encouragement where we got meals and stuff. So it was really, really, really fantastic.
In 5 years, we've grown to have over 30 chapters to help members connect locally in cities and campuses, tertiary campuses across Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Rwanda, and Cameroon, with a global community space of over 7,000 African women.
So my favorite thing was, interacting with other women in tech. In my group, we had I think up to 30 participants in my particular group. So it was nice to interact with other women because I am always the kind of person that wants to ask for help every time.
It is the network for me. My boss has always been there. I finished Code Africa 1 year ago, and up till now, I'm still in contact with my mentor. We talk every now and then when I'm having bugs, when I'm having problems. He's always there. We hop on calls, we solve issues, we bring out ideas and come up with good things together.
The final project was very awesome, but I had a good relationship with my mentor, and I think it gave me a great start for what mentoring should look like.
That was one highlight for me, where I made 12 articles for 12 weeks. Every week I was writing what I learned about. So that was a huge impact to my career. Like I said earlier, that I'm a technical writer now, so it really played a huge role to my current role in my company.
I wouldn't have been where I am today without the help of Code Africa. I wouldn't have achieved all of this. I wouldn't have gotten all these platforms without the help of Code Africa.
So I think of SCA as a hub of talent, a hub that grooms African women, right? African women in tech, that brings them out, that brings out the best in them.
I think when I think about Code Africa, I think about the future in tech, like for women, and all these opportunities Code Africa keeps bringing up. I think it's just so nice.
I think of it as a family where we help each other grow and where we strive to become better.
I think it is very important to support programs like this and communities like this.
Right, because SCA has been doing a lot, and imagine if, for example, if funding was there was a lot of funding, or there was funding for programs, it will accommodate more women to come in, to accommodate more opportunities. It will create more women that would discover their talent. There's this chain of giving that when someone, it's just a normal thing, when someone sees somebody giving, this other person is prompted to give. So it will also help other organizations want to give if that chain starts.
But believe me, you can never be what you cannot see, and that's where Code Africa comes into play. They are making ladies realize the potentials in them. They are making them realize how much worth they have, and how they can also be part of this emerging technology, emerging world. If you like what they are doing, then you really wish Code Africa well. They really have to be empowered. They really have to be supported for more of these ladies to come out of Africa and emerge. For them to come out of Africa and be able to stand anywhere in this world.
The tech industry keeps highlighting the need for more gender diversity, but here at Code Africa, we're also centered around creating more racial diversity, giving the average African girl out there inspiration and a representation of a successful career in tech, with our mission of creating an Africa and even beyond, where women are equally represented across all career roles and levels in technology.